We don't know how to process our pain. And because we don't know how to process our pain, we resort to dysfunctional stuff like denial, suppression, and self-medication to deal with the stuff of life, and it ultimately backfires on us. And it comes back to, we're not dealing with our crap. We're not dealing with our stuff. And often it's not bad intention, it's just no one's taught us how to do this. No one's taught us how to deal with the real deep issues of our heart. No one's taught us how to deal with disappointment with God when you feel like God didn't show up the way that you thought he would. Things worked out different. That disappointment becomes something that can literally disappoint you from your calling. If we don't deal with it, yet there are not many places where you can come together and be understood, to be loved unconditionally, where you can deal with that stuff. You can be ruthlessly honest. You can be brutally honest.
Tim, is so true. So, I mean, one of the key things is the day is going to be a safe space. You see it, like even some partners don't understand what you're going through because they're not in business. Who do you turn to? You don't want to let people know that there's issues in your business. You can't talk to your staff about it. Maybe there's one or two staff that know what the situation is. But you don't want to be embarrassed too to say we've got this issue, but who do you reach out to? And a lot of times we just need God with skin on to come and sit down with us, who is not judgmental. It's not going to tear strips off of you. It's just to say, I hear you, I understand, and hey, let's help you to move forward with this.